Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some breakfast sausage in the air fryer. This is only my second video with this air fryer, so I'm still kind of figuring it out. I have some breakfast sausage links from the New York Style Sausage Company, made in California. So anyway, we'll just open that up and put these in the bottom of the, what do you call this? I don't know what you call this, cooking tray, drawer, whatever. I guess I'll have to look up the correct terms for this. I'm not sure. Anyway, then we'll close this up and we'll turn this on and we'll set it to air fry. 375 degrees Fahrenheit was what the cooking manual said to do, and said 8 to 10 minutes, so I'm going to go 10 minutes. And it does preheat, but I'm just going to let it run right through the preheat cycle. I'm not going to open it up and add the food after it preheats. So we'll just let that go. This tells you to turn the food halfway through, but I'm just going to let it ride. I'm not going to turn it over. This just shut off, so let's take a look. They look nice on top. Let's see what the bottom looks like here. Bottom looks good. It looks almost the same, actually. I put these on the plate bottom side up so you can see they look about the same all the way around, so there was really no need to turn them over. Anyway, let's try a bite. That's good. That's real good. Annie was sleeping, but she woke up to try a bite. Want to try it, Annie? You look a little sleepy there. There you go. Looks like it's Annie approved. Well, those turned out good, but when I cook that in my toaster oven and use that cast iron pan, then I can add eggs. So that's kind of the only downside I see there. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.